Hello and welcome to our video on the incredible health benefits of eating bell peppers. If you're looking to improve your health and well-being, bell peppers are a fantastic addition to your diet. In this video, we'll dive into the remarkable nutrients and properties of bell peppers that make them a true superfood. So let's get started. Bell peppers are not just a tasty addition to your meals, but they are also packed with a wide array of essential nutrients that can support your overall health. These colorful veggies are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin E, and vitamin K. They also contain important minerals like potassium, magnesium, and folate. Additionally, bell peppers are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great option for those looking to maintain a healthy weight and support their digestive health. The high vitamin C content in bell peppers is especially noteworthy. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help boost your immune system, protect against cellular damage, and support collagen production for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Bell peppers also contain carotenoids, which are antioxidant pigments that give them their vibrant colors. These carotenoids, such as beta-carotene and lutein, have been linked to various health benefits, including eye health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and cardiovascular disease. Maintaining a healthy immune system is crucial for overall well-being, and bell peppers can play a significant role in supporting immune function. As mentioned earlier, the high vitamin C content in bell peppers can help strengthen the immune system by promoting the production of white blood cells, which are key players in the immune response. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation, both of which can contribute to a weakened immune system. Bell peppers are also rich in other nutrients that can support immune health, such as vitamin A and vitamin E. Vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy mucous membranes, which act as a barrier against infections. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that can help protect immune cells from oxidative stress. Including bell peppers in your diet can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to support a strong and resilient immune system, helping you stay healthy and ward off illnesses. Eating bell peppers can also be beneficial for your heart health. These nutrient-packed veggies contain several heart-healthy nutrients, including potassium, folate, and fiber. Potassium is a mineral that can help regulate blood pressure, and getting enough potassium in your diet has been associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Folate, on the other hand, can help lower levels of homocysteine in the blood, which is a compound that has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. The fiber content in bell peppers can also play a role in supporting heart health. Fiber helps to lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. This can help reduce the risk of plaque formation in arteries, which can lead to heart disease. Including bell peppers as part of a heart-healthy diet can contribute to a healthy cardiovascular system and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. If you're looking to achieve radiant and healthy skin, bell peppers can be a great addition to your diet. The high vitamin C content in bell peppers plays a crucial role in collagen production, which is a protein that helps to maintain the structure and elasticity of the skin. Collagen is essential for keeping your skin firm, plump, and youthful-looking. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, protecting the skin from oxidative stress and environmental damage, which can contribute to premature aging and skin issues. Bell peppers also contain other antioxidants, such as vitamin A and vitamin E, which can further support skin health. Vitamin A helps to promote cell turnover and repair damaged skin cells, while vitamin E helps to moisturize and nourish the skin, keeping it hydrated and healthy. Including bell peppers in your diet can provide your skin with the essential nutrients it needs to look and feel its best. Now that you know about the incredible health benefits of bell peppers, you may be wondering how to incorporate them into your diet. The good news is that bell peppers are versatile and can be used in a wide range of culinary preparations. You can enjoy them raw in salads, sliced as a crunchy snack, or cooked in stir-fries, soups, stews, and more. Bell peppers also make great additions to stuffed bell pepper recipes, adding color, flavor, and nutrition to your meals. When selecting bell peppers, look for ones that are firm, shiny, and heavy for their size, with no wrinkles or soft spots. Different colors of bell peppers, such as red, yellow, orange, and green, have slightly different tastes and nutritional profiles. So feel free to experiment with different colors and flavors to suit your preferences. Remember that incorporating bell peppers into your diet can be easy and delicious, adding a burst of flavor, texture, and nutrition to your meals. In conclusion, bell peppers are not only a colorful and tasty addition to your meals, but they are also packed with numerous health benefits. From their high vitamin C content to their antioxidant properties, bell peppers can support a healthy immune system, promote heart health, boost skin health, and contribute to an overall well-rounded diet. So, why not make bell peppers a regular part of your meal planning and enjoy the many benefits they have to offer? Thank you for watching our video on the benefits of eating bell peppers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay healthy and happy with bell peppers as a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. Until next time,